When I was pouring the ombre, it was very subtle. Like I didn't get as much of a distinction as I thought I was gonna get, which that's okay. That's fine. So I'm curious to see how it looks. That's not bad. You can see the light and then the dark and the light. Like, it definitely goes around the frame when you drop it in. Interesting. I might try a different pour pattern, not an ombre, and see what happens. So yeah, my horse, I had issues extruding the horse's leg, and then I bent the horse's legs. I tried to straighten it out. So it looks like the back legs are just a tad funky because I just had issues, but it's a girl and her horse. There's no major air gaps so far. I guess I shouldn't jinx myself. She's not quite touching, but I mean, I said it's not a true ombre frame because you can see that just the colors get pushed in weird ways. And also this ombre was so subtle that I kind of lost the differentiation between the colors. That's okay. But you can see there I had problems with that leg. Like I said, I had this, my black soap dough was a little too firm, but also a tad too dry for my liking, and so extruding it was definitely hard, and you can see that things didn't go perfectly. So now, like, I wanted to have a pop, like one color in the black and white, right? A purple element. But like it didn't work. Like there wasn't anything I could do really. So what I'm gonna try and do is I have a stamp, a heart, is stamp it and then infill it with a mica and see what I think about that. So yeah, I'll go let me get the rest of these bars off and then we'll come back and see if stamping works. So there's the first one I tried. I did have to stamp I had to make it deep enough that it, you know, it will allow me to infill it and not overflow. So, which meant I had to stamp, like I said, deep, but it also meant it pushed out the soap a little bit, but I don't think it's awful. Like, if you're looking at it, I don't think you can tell. I can tell because I can see that it's pushed out a little, but in the big scheme of things, I don't think people will notice.